Well, let me show you a new recall on the 2024. I think it's 2024. It could be 23 as well, but I think it's called the 10X5 recall with Volkswagen. And I know in our 24 and 25 Atlases, I saw one of the service advisors going down the line of them on the lot, and he was pulling all the engine covers off because these engine covers are junk. They're made kind of like very poor. If you look, it doesn't have like a full grommet anymore that attaches to the top of the engine on these little studs, like here and here. So what ends up happening here as well and here, when these things get hot, the little plastic pieces that are down inside the foam molding, they end up expanding and they end up losing their tension. So like these here, this one won't snap on anymore. This one, it snaps on, but when it gets hot, it doesn't have any tension on it. And this up here, same thing. It gets hot and it loosens up and this pops off. And this thing just sits here, and eventually it works its way. They say it could work its way back onto the turbo in the rear. You see the turbo is right there, it's touching it. And it could catch this on fire. So what they're doing for right now is they're saying, all these models that have the 10X5 recall on it, take this off, throw it away, and hopefully in the future they design a new one that's more robust and will actually stay on top of the engine instead of working its way loose. So this right here, this junk piece of foam engine cover is the problem.